How does a StrongBox registered work? As I did say that on my next video we'll be taking about how does a StrongBox works. Serenity Shield is driven by simplicity, and our beautiful user-friendly dApp is no exception, allowing our users the freedom and ease to log in and create a new or amend an existing StrongBox registered account from anywhere in the world. From the moment a new user activates their Serenity Shield account, to a recovery event being executed by the user or their heirs, all sensitive information will have undergone a robust encryption process that effectively splits the sensitive information into 3 unique NFTs keys. Each key is then distributed as follows: 1 to the account holder, 1 to their heir, and 1 to remain locked within the Serenity Shield smart contract. Search Token. $Search is the Serenity Shield utility token created to fuel our StrongBox registered dApp and all future products and services within our secure ecosystem. It is a deflationary SPL token that works on the Solana network, allowing $Search holders to benefit from low gas fees and high network speeds. Serenity Shield is committed to interoperability and is in active and ongoing development to deploy our $Search token across all Layer 1 blockchains in the future. Please click on the link below for more information.